Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making leftover rice aloo snacks bite, crispy outside, soft inside, and made from simple leftover rice and potatoes. This quick snack is a great way to turn leftover into something delicious and fun. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup leftover cooked rice and pour it into a blender. Add 2 boiled potatoes, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt. Blend everything until smooth. Transfer the mixture into a bowl. Now add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano, and fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Blend the mixture smoothly for better texture. Pour the mixture into a piping bag. Heat oil in a pan. Pipe small bite-sized portion directly into medium heated oil. Piping gives the snack a fun and unique shape. Do not overcrowd the pan while frying. Use medium heat for even crispiness. Rice provides energy and fullness. Potatoes make the snack satisfying. Fry until beautifully golden brown and crispy. Using leftover helps reduce food waste. Remove and serve with sauce and mayonnaise. Homemade snacks are fresher and cleaner. Leftover rice can be used in many creative snacks. Potatoes help create a soft and fluffy texture. Crispy bite-sized snacks are perfect for tea time. Serve immediately for best crunch. Your crispy leftover rice aloo bites are ready. Serve hot with sauce and mayo and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.